Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix calling issues in the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap Settings in your mobile. From there, tap Apps. Next, tap Signal. Once you're inside the Signal app settings, tap Force Stop. A confirmation will pop up, so go ahead and tap OK. This will completely stop the app from running in the background, which can help resolve any issues that might be preventing calls from going through properly. Now tap Permissions. This is where you'll grant Signal the necessary access it needs to handle calls correctly. First tap Phone, then tap Allow. This permission is essential because it lets Signal use your device's calling features. After that, tap back to return to the Permissions menu. Next, tap Camera, then tap Allow only while using the app. This ensures Signal can access your camera for video calls whenever you're actively using the app. Tap back again to go back to the Permissions menu. Now tap Microphone, then tap Allow only while using the app. This permission is critical for both voice and video calls, as it gives Signal access to your microphone so the other person can hear you during calls. Tap back once more to return to the main Signal app settings. Now tap Storage and Cache. At the top, tap Clear Cache. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts or glitches with the calling feature. Once that's done, tap Back. Next, tap App Battery Usage. Here, tap Allow Background Usage. This ensures Signal can run in the background without being restricted, which is important for receiving incoming calls even when the app isn't open. Then tap Unrestricted. This setting prevents your phone's battery optimization from interfering with Signal's ability to function properly. Now open the Play Store, tap the search at the bottom and search for Signal Private Messenger apps. Tap it from the results. Once you're on the Signal app page, tap Update right beside Signal Private Messenger. If you find the Update button, just tap it. If you just see Open, it means your Signal app is up to date. Wait for the update to finish, and once it's done, you're almost ready. Finally, you need to restart your phone and try to call again in the Signal app. This restart ensures all the changes and permissions you've applied take full effect, and your calling feature should now work smoothly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.